I'm going to show you 5 AI projects, artificial intelligent coins, that could potentially make you absolute insane gains in this next coming bull cycle. Why? Because I think trends are going to change, and the next big next big trend will be artificial intelligence, and you don't want to miss out on these 5 coins. So guys, if it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I've got tooth pain. I've been doing these videos on my tooth pain. I don't care. This needs to be done. I'm on my antibiotics, but I'm doing it with my tooth pain. And yeah, tooth pain. Did I say tooth pain? Tooth pain, not T-pain. Yeah, what's it? I can't remember one of the T-Pain songs. Best I ever had. No, that's flipping Drake. He's got that sounds like. Anyway, if it's sounding interesting, what's a T-Pain song? It's bugging me now. I need to find a tooth pain song. If it sounds interesting, drop that like. Anyway, it's gonna bug me. What's a T-Pain song? I can hear it. He done it with Chris Brown. Best I ever had. No, because that's the best I ever had. T-Pain. Anyway, if it sounds interesting, I'm not cutting nothing. Keeping it raw, fresh, and organic, like Tesco's. T-Pain. What's his song? I know it's like. The recent. Anyway, so 5 altcoins. Artificial intelligence that you do not want to miss out on. I'm going straight to the point. The first one is Singularity Net. This is not financial advice. Do further research before get it out before you invest your money. 4 pence a piece. I'm going to talk about tokenomics. 48 million market cap, low cap gem. 2 billion max supply. Right now, 1.1 billion is circulating, so, if it was to release the rest of the tokens, you're not going to see much of a big change. It'll go to like an 84 million market cap. It's a solid buy. For those that are new to this, they're building an AI marketplace where people can go on, drop some codes, decentralized artificial intelligent codes where people can build more stuff in the future in a decentralized artificial intelligent way. It's still bugging me. T-Pain songs, come on, man. What's that? I can see the video as well. All like the comical bubble rapper with, what's his face? Kanye West. Just make my own song. Anyway, it's gonna bug me. Drop some comments down on T-Pain so I can call them tooth pain songs. You know what? I'm gonna get it up right now. I don't care. I know this about artificial intelligence. This is what happens when you watch my channel. We just do stupid things. T-Pain music. What? Buy you a drink. Let me buy you a drink. Let me buy you a drink. You know that one, innit? I can't play it though because I'm gonna get censored. Buy you a drink. That's the one I was thinking of. Armstrong. Okay, so it was bugging me. Singularity Net. HEIX is I'm trying to be serious here. I've got good money in this, you best believe. And if you want to see some interesting videos, watch this one here. 5 coins to 5 million. What I'm seriously heavily investing in. You'll understand. Singularity Net is a powerful project. I think it's going to do well. I don't want to be too long on this. I just want to show you 5 artificial intelligent projects. Check it out more. Check out the team. They recently did some things with Cardano. Can you stake on Cardano yet? I don't know. Because I've been waiting for Cardano staking with the Singularity Net so I can stake my tokens. Does it say anything about staking here? No. Because you can stake on the Ethereum chain, but AGIX staking. Let's have a quick look. Because I'm curious. So it's still on the Ethereum chain. Doesn't say anything about... Look, I'm fighting my cold and cough. Doesn't say anything about Cardano yet. So someone let me know if you're doing this on Cardano. Because that's the staking side over here, right? But overall, it's a fantastic project. And this is going to be one of the big hypes when artificial intelligence rises. This will be the coin that most people go for. Look, seriously got to keep it real. I remember seeing this. I remember years ago. Listen, when you're not well, you have... got to get rid of it. I remember years ago when I was watching this in 2018, right back here. Yep, 4 pence a piece. I remember all this, and I didn't buy much of it. It went down to like 2 pence. I remember that, and I didn't buy much of it. I had about 3,000 coins, 3,000 of them, because I was broke. I wasn't rich back then. I had a bit of money, a little bit of money, £20, £30 here and there. Average guy, average, and you just buy what you buy. So I tried to buy as much as I could back then, 3,000 coins, and I regretted it because later on it went absolutely parabolic, right up to like 40 pence, higher, 56 pence, and I was just like, damn, even here, it rallied 3 times, 45 pence, and I thought if I just put more money in this, so when I saw it collapse right down here again, you best believe I took the advantage to grab as much as I can. Now, I recommend, and this is not financial advice, if you can afford it and you can bag minimum 50,000 of these, please do so, because it will set you up for greatness. I know it's a lot of money. £2,000 is a lot of money to ask average people to invest. Matter of fact, I'm not telling you to do this. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I seriously believe would be a good investment. £2,000 would give you 50,000 AGIX tokens at this price. Why am I saying it? Because we will see these prices again. Like, seriously, whether it's at 45 pence there, we will see it again in the coming future. Now, for you to get 50,000 of these tokens at 45 pence a piece, which is about 50 cents, it's going to set you back 22 grand. People ain't got that. That's a lot of money. You got to just pay for Christmas. I ain't going to pay him 22 grand on AGIX when I just pay for Christmas. I just got you the Hot Wheels. Nah, I need to buy myself some AGIX now. Yeah, you go play with the Hot Wheels. My kids ain't there. I'm just saying, you pay for Hot Wheels. You ain't got the money for £22,000. That's a lot of money. So I see it as £2,000. Yeah, it's still a stretch. But bagging 50,000 and having that for indefinite. Indefinite. Which one is it? Just having it. So this is why I think it could be a good buy right now. I've spoken too much on this. The second altcoin, artificial intelligence, fetch AI, real quick. Fetch AI, autonomous agent technology, power peer-to-peer applications with automation and AI capabilities with or without direct access to a blockchain. So basically, ChatGPT, which is this new type of artificial intelligence, came out, and this sparked the price of Fetch AI, because Fetch AI essentially is a project that could allow people to make decentralized versions of ChatGPT. In my eyes, it's giving you the building blocks. Look at this. Agents, it says modular and reusable code for peer-to-peer interactions, enabling a new layer of communication, blockchain network and smart contracts for economic settlement. So you can use this for anything. So is this a layer 1 project, blockchain? It says decentralized machine learning provided innovative solutions for agents to act upon. So, this is everything that you need with artificial intelligence. Look, build and deploy on Fetch AI. I think many people will. It says the Fetch AI network is an interchain protocol based on the Cosmos SDK, so, Cosmos chain, and uses a high performance WASM. Is it web as a something? I can't remember. Someone tell me what it is. I remember what WASM. I can't remember. I just remember it. Web. Anyway, based smart contract language, WASM. I can't remember what WASM is. I had it somewhere. This also allows Fetch AI network to serve as a layer 1 network for Ethereum. Does it use... No, because it's on the Cosmos chain. I was thinking it doesn't use MetaMask. Does it? I can't remember. So layer 1 network for Ethereum, and as an interchange bridge. Get it out, Jay. Come on, what's going on? To the rest of the blockchain world. I'm not with it. Fetch community. So they got good community. You can check it here in Twitter, not Instagram. Yeah, Instagram. No, not Instagram. Twitter, Telegram, all this stuff. You can check it out in your own time. Now, seriously, guys, like Fetch AI is going to be a great project, because I do see people developing on this, and there'll be loads of new projects coming out, loads of new dApps and stuff that we can use on Fetch AI, which is going to be artificial intelligent, and it might help you. Like if you're building a website, maybe start using these tools to get it going. Earn semi-passive income with this as well, while contributing to the Fetch AI network, security by empowering a diverse and vibrant set of validators. So how much do you earn when staking on this? Is it like 10% or something? I can't remember. Validators 10%. So I'm gonna have to look again just to see. I don't even know. Am I staking my tokens on this? Can't remember. I know I've got it. But look into it more. You need the wallet. You need to download, if you're on Ledger, you download the Cosmos app, and then you can send your FET tokens over to that, and then you should be able to stake it. I can't remember if I'm staking or not, but I'll drop another video if I am. Next coin, real quick. Ocean Protocol is another artificial intelligence project that you guys should seriously pay attention to. I think it has huge potential. Real quick. Actually, let me quickly go back to this. I didn't show you the all-time highs of Fetch AI. It went as high as, look, in the last cycle, right up here, 68 pence. Right now, it's right down here. You're buying it down here. So, it's a great buy in my eyes. 8 pence a piece. Massive great buy. And, you know, this can go higher. I believe this can maybe 100x because it's a 56 million market cap, low cap gem, times 10, 560, times 100, 5.6 billion. And when it does a 5.6 billion, I'm going to be quick, look, times 10, 81, times 100, £8 a price. £8 for one coin. Let's see what happens in the future of that. Ocean Protocol. So this is all about data. The new asset class, next generation tools to unlock data at a large scale. And I clicked up this about here just to sort of kind of tell you what it's about. So society is becoming increasingly reliant on data, especially with the advent of AI. However, a small handful of organizations with both massive data assets and AI capabilities attained worried levels of control, which is a danger to a free and open society. And it's true. What they're saying is that you might get large entities, large powers like the Google and the Amazon control a huge amount of data. And if they get hold of this, if they like manage to figure out artificial intelligence to be able to control it without them having to do so, the artificial intelligence just does it for them, we're in danger because this artificial intelligence is so damn clever. And with the machine learning, it learns fast. They're going to find ways to just keep controlling our data. So this is trying to decentralize it, make it decentralized. We aim to unlock data for more equitable outcomes for users of data, using a thoughtful application of both technology and governance. So this is basically an opportunity to allow people to build projects in a decentralized way, giving people back the data, whether it's your personal ID, I don't know, there's so many different forms of data. You know, this is going to help it on the journey, especially if you're building projects and stuff, DeFi stuff, it's going to help. They've got the team here, because that's data as well, right? They've got the team here. That's public, that's what you want to see when you invest in a project, a public team, advisors. You've got quite a lot of people on your team. So, check out Ocean Protocol. I probably haven't given it its best, there's so much more I can talk about because they've got data NFTs here, which is interesting. Data NFTs, on-ramp and off-ramp for data assets into DeFi. Ocean makes it easy to publish data services, deploy ERC 721 data, NFTs. Okay, and to consume data services, spend data tokens. Crypto wallet exchanges and DAOs become data wallets. That's super interesting because NFT essentially is data, right? You're holding data. Data NFTs and data tokens are the interface to connect data assets with blockchain and DeFi tools. Crypto wallets become data wallets. I said this already. I'm saying it again. The data itself does not need to be on the chain just to access control. Interesting. It really is interesting. There's a lot more. I might bring some more videos on Ocean. I don't know. It's been a while since I remember talking about Ocean Protocol a while ago in one of my, 5 coins that can do this and 5 coins. I can't remember which one it was. Let me see if I can find it. I did so many 5 coins that can do this and do that. But I remember dropping a video on Ocean Protocol and it was one of them 5 coins. It could be any one of these videos. So, if you're interested in seeing a bunch of these crazy videos I've done, which are quite powerful, check it out. But it was one of them. And I was saying, maybe check it out kind of thing. But anyway, Ocean Protocol was that one. Let's have a look at the tokenomics real quick. I've done it. So 15 pence a piece, 1.4 million. I said, 6 point. So if 100x is a 6.5 billion market cap, 100x. And essentially, what would it do to the price? So times 10, £1.50. You'd be talking. I'm talking a £15 price. If 100x is your money, makes you crazy gains in the future. And that goes to 6.5 billion. We could see it. A thing in the future where artificial intelligence takes over. I remember saying before, like right now, when you go into categories, you can click cryptos and categories on CoinGecko. You don't see a category called artificial intelligence. And I said this about a year and a half ago. If you was here, you remember that video, big up to you. And you watch, at some point, it's going to say artificial intelligence because it will be big. The next one, Numerare. Am I saying that right? Numerare? There's 11 million of these in supply. Interesting because it's scarce. Look, half is already circulating, over half, and about half. So, we're dealing with a 67 million market cap, another low cap gem. What is Numerare? What's it about? Let's have a quick look. The hardest data science tournament in the world. Okay. Predict the stock market. Really? This is claiming to predict the stock market. Start with hedge fund quality data. It is clean and regularized, designed to be usable right away. Obfuscated, is that right? So it can be given out for free. download the data. What? Are you saying that this is... each ID corresponds to a stock at a specific time era. The features describe the various quantitative attributes of the stock at the time. The target represents the abstract measure of performances and technical stuff, you best believe, a fixed number of weeks into the future. So they're basically taking data from the past, showing you what happened in the past and saying, look, this is very likely to happen in the future because of the data that's shown. Okay, cool. Apply machine learning to predict the stock market. Numeraire could be another big project that really blows up if this can predict the bloody stock market. You know what I mean? Can you predict the crypto market? Submit predictions to control the capital of Numeraire's hedge fund. Interesting. So you've got a hedge fund. What's this fund here? On the right click and open that up. I want to see. Do you have your team? Do you show your face or anything? I don't know. Yeah, I'm interested. Docs, forum, signals, leaderboard. What's docs? Numeraire. Am I saying it right? Numeraire. Numeraire. And they've got this guy here talking about Howard Morgan. Oh, he's the co-founder of Renaissance Technology. I haven't seen it again. I'm just putting it to your attention. This is another AI project that we should be paying attention to. I like the idea of being able to predict the future of trading markets because that will cause a lot of people to come over and start using it and looking into it and having fun with it, kind of thing. So, am I saying it right? Numeraire has gathered the best data scientists in the world to let them build machine learning models on the highest quality stock market data. Cool. If they're saying it's the best ones, then the best scientists, then this is going to be accurate, right? The result in the next generation hedge fund, which is outperforming market neutral indexes. Really? Because they're saying some big words here, guys. They're basically saying that this, whatever they got here, because if you think about, like, I'm going a bit off topic. If you think about BlackRock. BlackRock has this technology called, is it called Aladdin? Where Aladdin can predict, just like this, right? Can predict future events of stock prices and things that are going to happen. And many other companies use this Aladdin software they use it to buy stocks. So this essentially is like your BlackRock's Aladdin. Numeraire. Maybe it's Numeraire. That's what I'm thinking. If you're into BlackRock, you know what I'm on about. This sounds like something like that. And if you get big, large firms, institutions start using this, a decentralized version, as far as I'm aware, don't quote me on it, but from what I'm hearing, it sounds like BlackRock's Aladdin's software. If they start using a decentralized version, this could be big. This could blow up. Regularized data. Modeling. I'm not going to go from just looking. Stakes. Data scientists stake their best models with their cryptocurrency NMR. Good models are rewarded for them. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to get smart people put in their data models, and whichever one's the best, which is most people are using or adopting to the most, that's how they give out the rewards for the staking. I'm guessing that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna have to look more into this, but it does sound good. Like, seriously, it does. So that's another one. Real quick, look. £10 a piece, 11 million in max supply. You never get more than that. Half of it's already circulating, which is cool. If it was to fully come out, you're talking 120 million in market cap. But this coin could blow away before it comes out, like all the coins release. How high did this go before? Look at this. Went up to like 60 quid. Down here, all-time high says £66. So my S's, my tooth, still got my toothache. Yeah, so I think that this could be a good buy. Again, 100x goes to 6.7 billion market cap, and then this goes to like £1,000 a coin, because times 10 is 109, times 1,000 you'd be looking at £1,097. It's hard to see now. Hard to see. Numeraire, whatever you call it, NMR, go into that kind of prices. But when artificial intelligence kicks off and everybody's on this trend and people have got in early and other people start FOMOing in, that's when you see these crazy prices come. And it can go there to these kind of prices, £1,000 a coin, because of the supply. Look, it's so scarce, 11 million. So, look into it. Not financial advice, look into it. The next coin, which is my 5th coin. And I'm going to drop you an Easter egg as well with the extra coin. You like to do that. So, Singularity DAO is another AI artificial project you should check out. Part of the Singularity net ecosystem. They're dropping other artificial intelligence projects on their ecosystem, and this is one of them, Singularity DAO. It's all to do with DeFi, and this is, again, you know, similar to Numeraire, I suppose, dropping Dynasets to help, you know, have get yourself ahead of the markets when it comes to, you know, investing. I'm supposing, like, introducing Singularity DAO, redefining crypto asset management. So Singularity DAO is a decentralized portfolio management protocol designed to enable anybody, the safety and easily manage crypto assets, supported by superior risk management and analytic tools. Smart money on chain, a non-custodial protocol built to foster a new ecosystem of digital asset managers to offer automated trading strategies. Okay, so automated trading strategies using AI enhanced data analytics services. And what they show is these Dynasets, which I'm assuming you just invest in them and then it does it all for you, kind of thing. Some people like that. Some people like to just like not do anything, just put your money in, sit back and just watch it kind of grow, kind of thing. I'm on the Binance Smart Chain here. So I'm guessing if I change the chain to, you know, Ethereum or something, maybe it'll show what's going on the Ethereum chain with the Dynasets. But these ones are saying closed right now. But that might just be because of the chain that I'm on. It's got this Dynalab here, which is beta. So let me just switch it real quick just to see. I know it's going to tell me to. Oh, I got to use my my MetaMask. Hold on. Let me see. Does it do anything if I switch it over? Here we go. What's that say? That's not showing anything there. It's not. I guess they're going to make new ones. It shows TVL at total value. Oh, let me click on details. Hold on. Oh, that's showing the money that I haven't got money in it. That's what that zero was. So here, look, just to show you, this shows like how one of these Dynasets work. Look, Dyna ETH gives you exposure to Ethereum using long-only strategies managed by the dynamic asset manager with less fees and expenses. Cool. Someone might want to try this. You know, you want to trade Ethereum, you want to use something smart, you know, some artificial intelligence behind you to help you get the best outcome for your trades. This could be it. So, you know, check it out. This says it's trading live. It's really interesting. I stake on this. You know, if you're a patron of mine, you see that as well. I just stake, you know, you can just stake and get some passive income. And this is what it shows over here. I think I'm doing it on the Binance Smart Chain though, because it's, you know, lower in fees. But anyway, you know, you check this out in your own time. What kind of market cap we're dealing with? It has 9 million in market cap. So, you know, 100x puts it to, 900 million? Really? Less than $1 billion, guys. I'm talking a 1 billion market cap for this would push it to 100x. That's 100 times your money back. You know, $500 turns to $50,000 should it do this 100x. And it goes to a 1 billion, just under a 1 billion market cap, 981 million. What does it do to the price? 100x times 10, £1.50 times 100, about £15 a piece. And look at the supply. Look, max supply, 100 million tokens. So you won't get any more than that. I shouldn't be talking this much. My tooth. I'm fighting this tooth. I'm telling you, it's been so painful. Bloody tooth pain. Anyway, it's my wisdom tooth. It needs to come out. So that was Singularity DAO. I'm going to drop you one Easter egg that I think you should also pay attention to. It's another artificial intelligence, and then I'm out your hair. This has been too long. Sorry, I'm just not with it. NewNet. This is also part of the Singularity Net's ecosystem of artificial intelligent projects. This hasn't been spoken about much, but I've been slowly, you know, staking this, getting more coins for free kind of thing. Check this out. It's under a penny right now. 1 billion in supply. This is all about artificial intelligence. Again, look, but a global economy of decentralized computing. NewNet is building a globally decentralized computing framework that combines latent computing power of independently owned compute devices across the globe into a dynamic marketplace of compute resources, individually rewarded via tokenomics ecosystem based on NewNet utility tokens. So you may have a laptop upstairs that you're not using, or a phone that you're not using. Well, that holds data. It holds like space, hard drive. Yeah, data. Many people can use this stuff and provide it to this, you know, ecosystem to help people use it, I suppose, in a sense, like spare hard drive and things like that. That's what, as far as I'm aware, that's what it was offering before. You know, you could basically monetize the computing power that you have. Let me just read here. Fragment market controlled by a few bigger players, large infrastructures providers dominated by locking users into their computing and data silos. Private data is controlled by vendors and cloud providers. Raw data from IoT, Internet of Things, arrays is locked into proprietary cloud infrastructures. Cutting-edge AI and machine learning is not affordable for most except largest corporations. It says individuals, researchers and SMEs, I don't know what that is, cannot afford computing resources needed to develop and apply new technologies, further widening the gap between the big players. So tell me what you do real quick. Data, traditional NewNet. Solution. NewNet aims to transform the multi-billion cloud computing industry by connecting individual compute devices, like I said, your laptops, your phones and whatnot, independently of their size, location and ownership, to a decentralized machine-to-machine marketplace where software agents and their owners could search and find most fitting accessible hardware resources. So I don't know, like if you had good stuff on your laptop, like good I'm thinking like, what if you had good like software on your laptop already and someone else wanted to use it, kind of thing. I don't know. We are building an open source platform, protocols and APIs and blockchain integrations tailored to run complex geographically distributed computing workflows. IoT implementations and business cases. It all sounds technical, I know, but it could be one to watch. It's definitely worth, if it's cheap right now, maybe, having a look at it. Because, what's 100,000 of these right now? Like, seriously, 100,000 of these tokens right now. I remember paying like 13 grand for, I can't remember how much I spent, 10,000 coins. I can't remember, 100,000, £777. So, yeah, I think I paid 13 grand back then. It's fallen in price. So, 700 quid gets you 100,000. So, you look into it. Because if artificial intelligence rises, and this becomes a thing where, many people need a solution for this whole, what these guys are saying, where is it here? Building a multi-cloud computing industry and people being able to use any device and stuff to add to it. It says here machine-to-machine marketplace where software agents, owners could search and find most fitting accessible hardware resources. If that becomes a thing, this is going to blow. And just because it's AI, AI machine learning, it could be great. So, I just wanted to put this to your attention as an Easter egg. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you liked it, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Was it helpful? I don't know. Hopefully it's guided you on your journey into the artificial world in crypto, and you can now look into these crypto projects more and decide if you want to invest in them. Become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. Take your pick. Here's all the tiers. I recommend this one here. It's my most popular. This is what people are going for. It unlocks all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, selling, staking the lot. If you can afford it, go for my CEO tier. My next tier above gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. In there, I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell. I'm discussing projects in here. They're probably buying before I am because we're talking about it, and I probably don't buy it till a week later because I'm still trying to decide, kind of thing. But there's great money in this space, big money, and they know how to make money. So I pay attention. You should too. Check it out, guys. The link is in my info section on any video, and that's that. So check it out, and then get over here and make some good money. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.